Good morning, loves, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Angelique if you are new here, and today I am very excited because I'm going to be doing my first ever empty house tour. Like, what is life? This is absolutely insane. We just got to Hawaii 48 hours ago, and so I thought it'd be fun before we move everything in to kind of show you a empty-ish house tour. So that way I can show you like before and afters. It's gonna be fun. So let's go inside and I'll show you our house. Okay. Let's go. So in here, this is our porch. I have so many fun plans. We have a cute little screen door. And welcome to our humble abode. It is all white, it is all gray. It's kind of like shabby chic, farmhouse, beachy. We're very excited. I have so many plans. I love the absolute white walls. And yeah, that's the living room. Very exciting. My favorite thing about this house is how open it is. We wanted an open floor plan so that way we could entertain and just have tons of people and make it very inviting. So let's make our way to the dining area. And yes, we finally have a dining area. Oh my gosh, you can actually sit at a kitchen table, not a coffee table on the floor anymore. So yeah, this is the lovely dining area. I gotta find some cute chairs, so if you have any recommendations, put it down below because I haven't settled on one yet. Okay, and then in here is our kitchen. I don't know if you guys heard, but when I walked in, like, you know how you're not supposed to act excited? Well, I literally walked in and go, ah, it's our dream kitchen! Like, I screamed, and I was like, I wasn't supposed to do that. But it literally looked like every kitchen I've ever saved on Pinterest. And I'm just so excited to have an island. Like, what? I can cook right here. We can have friends. I'm so excited. And our fridge, wait, look how cool. I have to show you this. Okay, so a fridge, right? You get whatever you want, right? Say you want like a cold beer or cold kombucha, right? Boom, beer, kombucha. I don't know, we thought that was really cool. It's the little things, you know, like a cool fridge door. And then wait, I gotta show you this. Look how cute our farm sink is. I got this cute little soap bottle. It's all white. I'm just so excited. You guys have no idea. We've been apartment living for 10 years, which is crazy. And now we get to do whatever we want to our house. And we have a huge kitchen with an island. Okay, moving on, let's go. Oh, there's a backyard back there, but honestly, should I show them?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I have an office back there.
Yeah, we got a lot to show. Okay. We'll make it quick. So out here, we have our backyard. So they actually did not get to the backyard, which is actually awesome because we get to do exactly what we want. So we have some fun ideas. So we get to start from scratch out here. So yeah, this is our backyard. We have so many plants. We have an avocado tree. This is an avocado tree. And this is one of my avocados. Apparently, these avocados get to be the size of my head. And if you ever watch any of Sawyer's videos
She has a huge head.
he says I have a huge head.
She
so
does. It's true. Very true.
you do the math.
It's cute, but it's big.
Then, you wanna hear the craziest thing about Hawaii, which I'm not used to being a little Utah girl? Look. The laundry rooms are outside. I'm like, is that safe? I'm like, we don't have that in Utah. So anyways, yeah, I'm gonna do laundry outside now in the fresh air. Okay, this is Sawyer's office, which we're kind of excited about because it'll be nice for him to like go into another place and work not in the house, just because, like, you know, you gotta divide work and house. Anyways, hold on. Oops. Got it. I can break into his office now.
I'm gonna change the code.
This is gonna be his office. He's gonna do something cool in here with all of his camera stuff. It's just storage and camera gear. And he even has like his own little bathroom. And yeah, just nice little office area. I like your office, babe. I might come visit you. He's like, oh great. Maybe.
I'll meet you in the side.
Ooh, good idea. Look, our bed arrived. That's this box. We also have a garage door, side door. We're gonna go into the sleeping quarters of the house. We'll start over here. Oh wait. So the one thing about this house is there's not a lot of storage, which is great because we're gonna have to be like minimalistic. This is like the only storage in the house. So I did a Costco run. Basically it's full of paper towels and that's it. In here is going to be a guest room / my office / my closet. So it's kind of just storing our suitcases at the moment. And I'm gonna have to somehow figure out how to put all my clothes into here, which is why I got rid of half my closet. Oh yeah, one of my favorite things about this house is the light. Everything is white and open, tons of windows, there's skylights, and it's just like very inviting and just calming, which we love. In here, you're gonna see my beautiful dog Hitch. As you guys know, Ollie is at summer camp at the moment. He gets back on July 28th. So until then, we have an only child. This is the guest room and the guest closet, which is full of my mom's stuff at the moment. But yeah, just gonna be a super cute little guest room. Nothing too crazy. In here, our next stop is the bathroom, which Sawyer and I are so freaking excited about because we're gonna have 2 sinks. No longer do we have to fight with each other about moving so we can get to the sink. So yeah, we have a cute little bathroom, cute little subway tile. We have a bigger bathtub, which we are so excited about. Sawyer's over there like jumping for joy behind the camera.
Score.
Yeah. And then the toilet, you know, gotta have one of those. And then finally, we have made it to the master bedroom. I'm so excited to decorate this. You guys have no idea. Everything's arrived, so the next video you guys will probably see that. This is the master bedroom. This will be Sawyer's closet, and that's pretty much it. That is the end of this empty house tour.
Why don't we end by showing them the lime tree?
Oh, okay. I'll take you guys back out front and we'll show you guys the lime tree. Okay, come on. One last stop.
One last thing we almost forgot.
And then the last thing we're going to show you is our lime tree. There's a little bird nest in here. It's just so cute. I love that we actually have limes and avocado. I don't know, it's just something so cool about it. It's going to be really fun to own a home here and just have a normal life with Sawyer and the dogs and have tons of friends out and family. We're just so excited. I don't think we've ever been this happy. I'm looking at him because he's behind the camera, but I don't think we've been this happy ever. Like, it's so cool in the last 48 hours. We already feel like, I don't know, we just love it. Anyways, that is it. That is the house tour. The next video will be us like moving in and unpacking, so I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe so you guys do not miss out on a video. Bye!